come take a look at this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the dark titanium cloth seat trim, mirrors, outside high-visibility vertical camper style, black, emissions, federal requirements, GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, rear axle, 4.10 ratio and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.